And we are live now. Start sharing this fucking screenage. Right then. Oh yes, Dow Jones is already coming down. Well, I don't know though because, oh, mate, did it take out this high? It did take out that high. To be fair, oof. It took out that high. Let's see if we can get a fucking sell off on here. Got a fucking inside tips there. Let's have a look. Oh, let me bring fucking Forex Factory up as well. We got news at fucking 4, but it's yellow folder. I'm not really fucking bothered about that. Right. 4 hour. It swept out all of this shit right here. It literally came up and swept all of this. So depending on how this 15-minute candle closes, I'll probably try getting a sell on Nasdaq just based off that sweep to the upside. Swept all of this and it instantly rejected. So what I'm thinking is it's going to come down for the rest, well, for the next 25 minutes and then, you know, fucking see what the crack is with that. Let's bring it up on my left screen. Fucking bring it up on my MetaTrader. Right, H4 daily, weekly. Right, is that fucking... Oh, mate, monthly's down there. Right then, this is a bit of a fucking problem now, isn't it? Monthly opens right there, so... It's a bit of a fucking problem, that one. Gold, probably buying, yeah, of course it is. Yeah, the thing is, even though it swept this high out, it could still fucking come down, you know what I mean? It could. I'm not gonna lie. Fucking could, bruv. And I went with a 100k account this today because I'm a fucking savage and, you know, just a fucking bad man and nobody does it like me and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Try to get some fucking... Oh, that means I can start trading normal fucking sizes as well now. Right. 4 hour. Didn't take out the all-time highs. Right then, okay, that is huge on Nasdaq to be fair. Oh my god. Same with fucking US 30. Ooh, it's looking a bit tasty, US 30. What about Nasdaq? Let me bring up Nasdaq on my left screen. Oh mate, but they're both looking quite decent to be fair. I'm not gonna lie. We fucking come into this massive wick here. And now we're rejecting pretty fucking strongly. Right, I'm gonna get in on Nasdaq, I think. Yeah, I'm getting in now.
Order filled.
Oh god. How the fuck do why have I not got that set up? Oh yeah, shit, I need to set that up. I need to, like 500, profit, 1500. Alright, let's have a look. See, I'm in Nasdaq. It's looking alright. What about US 30? What's that doing? Alright, nothing yet. And if we can take out these lows, I'll fucking add my stop loss here if I can. Yeah, there. Charts and data. If we can take out these lows and then potentially fucking close below them, I might add on to my position on NAS. We'll see if it can. That'd be beautiful. If it can close below it, I'll go short again, just because of the fucking rejection we've had. And on my left screen, it's looking a bit nice. If we can take out I want to see it take out these lows there, and then it gives me incentive to hold it. Let's see. Oh. Right. Still hasn't closed below that low yet, so we'll wait. Let's have a look.
Order
Right, I'm in
filled.
more. Right, let's have a look. Let's fucking make some money today. Let's take all this shit off. Let's see. It's going a bit over 1%. Didn't even realise that. Whoopsie. Right, now it's taken out this low. It's rejecting. This is the fucking problem now. Right, okay. Let's see if it can fucking continue to break past these lows. Let's see. If not, then I'll be a bit shitty, won't it? But it is what it is. If not, I'll have to wait until that fucking new hourly. I'm not gonna lie, because to be fair, one contract's probably enough. Now I'm thinking about it. If I can break even this one, I'll probably fucking close one.
Order
I'm closing
filled.
one there because I'm risking way too much, to be fair. So I'm only risking 645. So let's see if it can continue now, because it's trying to, as you can see. Right, let's have a look. It's looking nice. And then if the 15-minute candle opens bearish, I'm gonna add on to my position then. Let's have a look. Beautiful. I'm already up like nearly 200. See if it can fucking continue. Pivot points. Oh mate, this should be a lovely fucking trade. I'm not gonna lie. Should be. It's fucking swept out these highs as well. Sweep this for it to come down. I mean, it should do. If it doesn't, then fuck it, innit? But I'm just seeing sales today. We've had such a fucking fat rejection from the upside as well. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hour could easily flip bearish. Do you know what I mean? Probably like down here. I'd probably target these lows. Aiming for about $1,000 today. If we can, that'd be beautiful. Let's see. Let's see if it can actually take out these lows. Because it's struggling to push down past these lows now. US30 is still shorting. Well, kind of. It's trying to anyway. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the previous day low. Oh, you got the previous day high here. So is that what it's fucking bouncing off of? Yeah, it is. It's bouncing off the previous day high. Right, that's what it's doing right now. Let's see if it can, push past this previous day high point, and let's see if we can continue to push past that, and then target somewhere down into these lows here, because this is the last low before the move up. So price could easily reverse down here if it obviously wants to. So I'm going to be very fucking careful today, because yeah, it could be one of those days where price reverses and could buy straight back up. So got to be very fucking careful. Bit of a voice break. My bad, chief. My bad. Right, yeah, Nasdaq's still fucking pushing down on the 1 minute. 5 minutes still looking quite clean, if I'm honest. Let's look at the tick chart. Tick chart's not looking the best. Oh, there it is. It's rejecting now for that fucking previous daily high price. It rejected straight away. Right then. I do not like to see that. The US30 is still coming down. Next 15-minute candle in 2 minutes though. So if we, on the next 15 minute, if we can, push price down, be fucking lovely. But it is retracing quite a bit, so I'm not really liking that. Oh yeah, that's not a nice rejection. That's not nice at all. Oof, yeah, look at that. Instantly bought up off of that previous day high because we're just so bullish. The selling setup was there though, so it's a valid sell. We've got the inside tips and we tap into these highs and it sweeps these highs, so it's a valid setup, but we're gonna really see what it fucking wants to do now. US 30 probably did the set. No, US 30's fucking mate. Look at all of that bullshit. Oof, that's horrible. Oh yeah, it looks like it is going to come up, huh? Next 15-minute candle in 30 seconds. Wow. We'll see what this next 15-minute candle does, really, innit? Fucking see what happens, bruv. Fucking see what the crack is, mate, on the next 15 minute. See what the fucking crack is. If it does come back out and take these lows out, I might add on to my position, I'll be honest. Yeah, definitely will, because the 15 minutes coming back down pretty nicely, so I'll definitely add on to that position if it takes these lows out. Definitely, definitely, definitely will. Oh, there we go, come on. Take these fucking lows out. Take these lows out, I'll put a sell stop here, just below these lows if it can. And then I'll put my stop loss just above these highs. Probably risking like 800 after it taps me in
Order
this one.
filled.
There we go. I'm in. I'm up 500 already. Saving for about, I don't know, a grand today. Let's have a look. Just fucking put my stop just above these recent highs. See if it can fucking continue to push down now. What's US 30 doing? US 30 is trying to do the same thing. Nasdaq. Let's see if you can pay me today, bruv. Oh yeah, you got the last bullish candle before that move. Yeah, rejecting now for that. That's expected. Let's have a look. Let's have a fucking gander. Yeah, look at that. It's oh, it flipped bullish now. That's not very nice. Ooh, that's a bad rejection. That is. We were looking pretty good, but now that it's rejected that hard, it's not looking good at all. Yeah, look at that. See if it can fucking reverse from these little highs. Let's see. Probably. Now that I've seen that fucking bullish candle, this is the problem. It looks bullish. Well, it looks like the buyers are still trying to step in because it's obviously a discounted price, but we're going to see who's in control now. We're going to see if the sellers are still in control or the buyers are, you know, still in control as well. We're going to have a look. Let's see if it can respect this little wick here, this 5-minute wick. Let's see. Let's have a fucking gander, right? Still looks very nice on the 30-minute, the hourly. There we go. That's what we want to fucking see. Look at that fucking shit, bruv. Come on. It's fucking sit back, have a swig of fucking water. Hourly, still fucking bearish. I do like that we did respect these highs, so I'll probably put my stop loss just above that high that I just made, just for now. But obviously it's still struggling. It's trying to break out. That's why it's consolidating so much right now. It's either going to break to the upside or it's going to break to the downside. It's going to do either one of those things right now. But obviously if we break to the upside, we don't want to see that. US 30 is fucking buying up like a bitch though. It taps that monthly open like I marked out, so maybe Nasdaq's going to do that as well. We'll see. Yeah, look at that. Just buying up again. Oh, if it stops me out on this one, I'll probably have to wait until that hourly open. I'm not going to lie. Because we got, well, yellow folder at 4 o'clock. Yeah, this 15 minute, if it closes bullish, then that's a buy signal, that is. But it's hard to say in it because the 30 minutes so bearish and the 15 minutes going bullish. That's the thing. So the 15 minute could hold strong and it could buy up now to take out the fucking highs that it tried to take out. It's probably gonna stop me out now. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's rejected again. Oh, US 30 did reject off that monthly open. Look at that. You've got an inside tips to take out potentially all of these highs. So if Nasdaq doesn't work out, we'll probably switch over to US 30. But yeah, it looks like it is gonna stop me out on Nas. Yeah, look at that. Probably will in about a couple seconds. Yeah, look at that.
Order filled.
Yeah, there you go. Stop that. Well, that's a not gonna lie. It was a beautiful setup, but it just didn't work out. That's all. Still could work out though. That's the thing. So I'm just gonna be waiting now to see. Did we take out these highs? We fucking did. Hard to say though what it's gonna do. So right, it's rejecting now. Mm, mm, fucking. I don't know. It still could come down. Still think it could come down, but it could also go long now. Oh, US 30's coming down strong. Right, I'm gonna. Oh my god! Anyone see that? It just fucking instantly shot down before I entered. Damn, that shit is bearish. Holy shit. I'm selling
Order
that
filled.
on US 30. Shit, that was a crazy rejection on Nasdaq. Holy shit, I fucking seen that shit. Right, US 30. Let's see if we can take out these lows. I'll add on to my position. That's what I'll do. I'll fucking put a stop sell down there. That was a beautiful fucking setup on Nasdaq, and it literally rejected down into that blue zone that I was trying to target, but it just fucking came up and stopped me out. So I'm not really bothered about that. I moved over to US 30 now because US 30's looking a lot better. We've just inside tips on here as well. So if we can close bearish and then hold on to the next hour, fuck's sake, bro, that'd be such a clean fucking setup. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see though. We'll see. Market has been a bit choppy for the past couple of days as well. Like there's been no sense of direction until like 4:30 my time, so like 3:30 UK time. We have got that uh monthly fucking open level. I can't get my words out. Yeah, look, we've got the monthly open right here. Is it there? No, it's here. My bad. Right there, yeah. Got the monthly open right there, and that's what he's fucking trading off of right now. Well, I'm trying to fucking find. Yeah, it's right there. Look on that, on this red line, which is halfway across the fucking screen apparently. Well, Nasdaq didn't work out. But the thing is, we're only fucking 23 minutes into the session, so Nasdaq can still fucking drop. But it's come back bullish. Look off of that bullish zone that we have here, and that was the target, but it just didn't play out unfortunately. But it's not a problem. Targets for US 30 though would be obviously this low. This would be the first take profit. And then, well, somewhere in this massive wick down here would be the second take profit. That's just what we're targeting today. If we can obviously, close bearish on the 30, the hourly, 4 hours coming out in the next 6 minutes. And I can't bring up the 4 hour, and it always does this, and it flipping pisses me off. Yeah, it took a little bit of a loss this morning, but it's not even a problem. It's not about how you start the day. Remember, it's all about how you fucking end the day. Remember that shit. Okay, look, Nasdaq's still trying to push down. Still trying to. The buyers are trying to step in of this last. People call it order block. I just go with simpler terms, just a buying zone. The last, the last buying area before the massive candle that we've got now, which is to move down, which is this one. And buyers are trying to obviously buy at this zone because it's the cheapest price. So that's why Nasdaq's doing what it's doing right now. And obviously US 30 is just a wick in it. So I'm liking that. If it can push past this wick, this wick didn't really achieve anything. So I'm liking that. If it can keep pushing, we'll see. Fucking have a gander in it. Yeah, beautiful. New hourly candle in 4 minutes. So yeah, we're really gonna see what this fucking shit's gonna do. Look at the 4 hour on US 30. Like, it just doesn't get any cleaner than this, in my opinion. 4 hours bearish. We've had such a massive rejection, and we've had these massive sweeps of money up here. So this is one of the similar setups that I seen on the Friday, and it sold off. So if we can, if we can continue to the downside, it could be a pretty fucking big move today. I'll be honest. It could be a pretty fucking big move. So I'll just fucking sit back and fucking relax, innit? It's not gonna fucking go anywhere. Yeah, as you can see, it's still struggling to push past this monthly opening price, which is expected. Obviously, as you can see though, we've been so fucking bullish on everything. Like, let's hide. Can I hide? Yeah. No, I can't fucking hide because it's not trading view, but we've been so bullish. Oh, let me fucking bring up this fucking bullshit. We've been so bullish on everything. I'll just fucking remove all of this. So bullish on everything. Like, it's just bullish. Just been fucking bullish, respecting buy zones, and it's been so bullish. But obviously, when we're in a buyer's market, there's always sellers, and there's always buyers, of course. So we're just really waiting to see what this next hour is gonna do. There we go. Sorted. What's SP 500 do? I took this fucking shit off on Monday because it was so shit, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, dog water, that's what it's fucking doing. Absolutely fucking nilch. Gold's probably buying. Yep. Gold is looking nice on. Oof, it does look quite nice for some buys. Fucking hell. Gold recently is fucking ridiculous as well. Like, it's been so bullish for absolutely no fucking reason at all. Well, just because of war, I guess, and stuff like that. But shut my fucking curtains. Hang on. There we go. It's fucking. Let's fucking have it. Thing is with US 30 now as well, because it's respected this low, it's going to be quite hard to break it on the next hour, but it could easily do it. US 30, what's Nasdaq doing? Look, they're both looking pretty much the fucking same. And now that the 15 minutes looking a bit shitty, what I would do is, because it's looking like that, you could do whatever you want. You could wait until the next 15-minute candle was to close, or you could just take a look at the 30-minute and then see that obviously we've had such a great big move down, but we've come into this zone that it could buy up now, or it could continue downwards and create that J-swing model that we talk about. Like, look, it could. What it could do now is this candle could come all the way down and fill in all this, and then continue to sell off, target these lows, and potentially have a look at the 4 hour, come out and take, well, come into this fucking massive wick we've got here. But we'll fucking have a gander in it because anything is possible, as you guys know. Yeah, as you can see now, it's respected that low. That's the problem that we've got now. Right, yeah, oof. 4 hour, looking a bit off as well. Nasdaq 4 hour closed bullish. Okay, that could be huge. That could be fucking huge as well. Got a fucking tips here. Oof. Mmm. Hard to say. Yeah, US 30 is coming back up now. Yeah, it's not looking that great to be honest. I'll be honest with you. It's not looking good at all. Yeah, this past week the market has been a bit, what's the word? A bit choppy for New York session. Like Monday and Tuesday was shit. We'll see what happens now. Yeah, as you can see, Nasdaq is looking pretty nice right now for buys. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna fucking come up potentially. Fucking see, innit? Fucking see, lad. Yeah, Nasdaq is pushing up now beautifully, obviously, just because we've got that 4 hour bullish close, and realistically, the target for Nasdaq would have been these highs. Yeah, it's looking lovely on that. And we have got the tips, and we have got the wick break here. So if you would have entered long here, it's valid. Just looking on my left screen to see what US 30 is doing on a different time frame. Let me check the Discord. Why did I sell off that rejection? Right, so basically on the 15 minute, this obviously bullish candle was bearish, and the reason why I have a sell here is because when it was bearish, I entered a sell down here because I thought it was going to continue. So that would have just been the tips up here to the continuation J-swing model. But obviously now, because we've closed bullish here, it's looking like, well, the thing is, all this could be is just the retracement to the upside, just to continue down. Because if you look at the 30 minute, all this is just the top wick potentially to continue the move to the downside. So if we can obviously continue, that'd be absolutely fucking beautiful, wouldn't it? I've got another sell stop down here, just because if it takes out these lows, then the idea of it is to continue. But if it doesn't, then there wouldn't be really any point of having a sell stop down there with the. Yeah, Nasdaq is not ripping, but it's buying up pretty nicely. S&P, oh no, I fucking fucked off S&P, didn't I? S&P is flying. It actually is flying for once. For once, that is. I'll just show you S&P, what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, look at that. S&P is coming up nicely to probably take out this up here. Potentially. It looks like that. And we're at all-time highs on S&P. It's just been so bullish. So for it to take out those highs is definitely easy. And it's news high as well. So that is the target. Yeah, US 30 is volume's got pretty weak right now, to be honest. But I definitely, just from the way it's buying up, it doesn't look the best. Yeah, US 30 is going to come up. I'll probably just close that. Yeah, I'll probably just
Order
close that.
filled.
It's just so bullish, it's unclear. I'll probably just wait for the next 15-30 minutes to close. I'll see what this 15 minute does on Nasdaq. Nasdaq could still come down though. That's the thing. Take out these highs. We swept it. 50-minute candle. Dunno, it's just a waiting game really now. Yeah, as you can see on the 30 minute though, this could just be the top wick to, you know, create that J-swing model to take out these flipping lows now. And because we've taken out this,
Order
I'm
filled.
just going to get some in there. Just based off of that sweep up there, could have been a bad sell, but we'll see. Sweep these highs out to possibly come lower. 5 minute could close bearish in the next 20 seconds. It would look nice. And then in the next 5 minutes, this could always flip bearish, but we'll fucking have a look and see. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, last week NFP was a very good week. This week, on the other hand, so far it's been off to a pretty rough start. But like I always say to everyone, it's not about how you start the week, it's about how you end the fucking week, innit? And if this 30-minute candle does actually decide to flip bearish, then holy shit, it could be a big move. To obviously, like I said, target somewhere down in these lows down here. Always target the lows, and then yeah, continue obviously. But yeah, it's been an odd week, this one, and maybe it's because we just started the fourth quarter. Fourth quarter is always a bit slow. I always hate trading the fourth quarter, honestly. September, October, November, December. Yeah, Pete. When do all these markets shut then? Is it like December time? Like when do you stop trading for the year? Or do you trade through the whole year? If you could put in the chat, just let me know. Yeah, TJR, uh, TJR, Bueno, mate. He's a good trader in that, but he's just a course seller, innit? That's all he is, in my opinion. He sells courses for a living. He makes money off trading, obviously, but his is just fucking ICT dumbed down, pretty much. Yeah, it's fucking, as you can see, not doing much. Just fucking, still fucking coming up, so. Yeah, over this week, well, the moves have been coming at like fucking 5 o'clock ish, and I don't know. Like I said, maybe it is because we're on the fourth quarter and it's slow. But I fucking hate the fourth quarter, to be honest. Just look at the volume. It's just weak as well. On well, yesterday it's come down a little bit, but it's just not fucking strong. Nasdaq, on the other hand, has got nice volume, but it's not going in our favour. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, yeah. That's what I was saying. Like, when do you stop trading for the year? Like December time, November time, or do you just continue to trade throughout the whole year? Because for me, oh right, this is looking a bit shite. Yeah, for me, I don't know when to stop trading because futures is a bit different from forex, in it. Well, for like times and everything, like for year and stuff like that. Yeah, but is it still like, is there still a lot of volume over the fucking December and that, or is it weaker, or? Because me, I'm at the fucking stage in my life that it's just less is more in it. And like I said to you before, the fucking less I trade, the more money I make. Yeah, forex loses volume, right? The less I fucking trade, bruv, the more money I make, and it's always it's been like that for a while, and it's just. I think it's like anything though. The less you do something, the more you just more you benefit from it. It's like having a wank, innit? The less you have a wank, bruv, the better you feel. Do you know what I mean? It's just a good reference for today. The less is more. Less busting a nut, more focusing. You know what I mean? 15-minute on Nasdaq looks like it's gonna come up now. So this is fucking looking a bit bullish. But it's just because it's hard to say, man. Because we're at all-time highs, it could just fucking come and take out all of these highs. But yeah, it's tough, and there's just not a lot of volume. Like this past week, the volume's just been a bit naff. Like if you look at this, it's just the tips to continue to the upside, but I was just trading off of what could have happened, so that was my mistake. But yeah, look at US 30, volume shit. S&P, what are you doing? Yeah, look at that. S&P's trying to fucking take out these highs. Yeah. If today doesn't work out, guess what? Just back at it again tomorrow. It doesn't even fucking matter anymore. I'm in that mindset. I don't even care. I'm not even bothered. Money doesn't matter. Honestly, it fucking doesn't even fucking matter. What times am I trading? Well, New York Stock Exchange. So from like UK time, it's like 3. Well, I start trading at like 2:45 your time, and then obviously the trades you want to be in are after 3 o'clock really, because that's when the new 4 hour opens. As you can see here, 4 hour open. It's just so bullish. It's very hard to say though, man, because yeah, if it comes and stops me out, I'll probably sit on my hands for like, yeah, it's gonna stop me, I think. Yeah, USD news. So pretty much, some news. All depends, innit? Like, GBP news can have an effect. USD news always has an effect on these markets, but CAD news can also have an effect because it's still fucking news and it can affect all markets. Well, it just affects some markets less than others. You know what I mean? GBP will obviously affect the GBP pay stuff more. USD will obviously affect the
Order
USD.
filled.
Yeah, look at that. USD more. USD pairs more stuff like that. Yeah, but fucking recently, like this past week, sorry, the market has just been so slow. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, exactly. That's why I don't trade the open. It's too inconsistent. Yeah, it's fucking shit. Like, look at that. It come up and sweep this again, and it's rejected a little bit, but I'm not even fucking doing nothing about that. This 15-minute now could close bearish, and then if it does, then fuck it, you know. Look at that. See that bullshit? Yeah, look at that. 15-minute now, right.
Order
Getting
filled.
one more there. Because it's still possible to fucking sell off. This is the fucking issue we're having. Yeah, there's just no, like, what do you call it? The narrative's a bit shit, if I'm honest. Like, it says I'm fucking down X amount of money. It doesn't even matter, because it's just shit. I'll just fucking reset the account if I have to. I'm not even bothered. Money's just an object, innit? Comes and goes. Money's always there. Money flows, bruv. Yeah, but look at US 30 for example. Look, it opened at fucking 4 o'clock and it's just not really done anything. Even the past few days, it's been doing the same shit as well. Like 4 o'clock, it moved a bit there. 4 o'clock there, it did move. This was Friday. I caught that massive sell-off there because it took out all of them highs and it sold off. But yeah, NFP week's quite good to be fair. I didn't really used to like it, but the more and more that I trade it, it's better. It's quite funny as well. Like as soon as I start streaming, this is when the bad week happens, and it's good to show you all what a bad week is like. Sometimes. Oh man, I'm fucking sweating in this room as well. Honestly, bruv, don't even worry about NFP. Like, you don't need to learn what NFP and FOMC is. All you gotta know is just don't fucking trade at the times that NFP and FOMC news releases. That's all you've gotta know. You don't need to learn about it. Just don't trade it. Yeah, just don't trade fucking NFP. Don't trade FOMC. You wait the next half hour or hour after for the market to settle a little bit, and then you enter a trade based on that. You see loads of these fucking gurus on Instagram that are gambling pretty much, fucking putting buy stops above this high, sell stops below this low. It's just gambling. So just don't pay attention to it. Yeah, CPI. Yeah, don't need to know about it, bro. Honestly, it's all just charted anyway. So like, we had news at fucking what 2:30, which was here, which is the low. So for future reference, when the news come out, this is the high of that. Or was it 2:30? No, it's 2:30. So you've got the low there and you've got the high there. So if it was to long, you'd aim for the fucking news high, and if it was to short, you'd aim for the news low. The news low's already fucking hit though, so fuck knows. Yeah, absolutely. So like every single day, you've got that forex chart uh, automatically printing in our Discord. So yeah, this strat it can work on forex, but obviously, as you're seeing right now, it's probably showing you not how to use the fucking strat to be honest, because I'm losing, but it doesn't even matter. Because like I said, money's just a fucking object. Money comes and money goes. I don't even fucking got no emotional attachment to money. To be fair, I used to when I was a little kid, but nowadays it's just fucking money, innit? Money's money's fucking money. Like, yeah, I don't even know what I'm looking at, bro. To be honest, on your chart. Yeah, this will probably push up in a sec. So that's
Order filled.
yeah, there we go. Yeah, bro, I don't even know what it is. Yeah, look at Nasdaq. So bullish. It actually is. I'm fucking that shit off anyway. I'm not fucking trading that. Yeah, it's a nice setup to be fair. It's a lot of pips. It's like fucking 200 points. It's nice. That's nice. Yeah, yeah. Nasdaq is longing right now for them lows. So much wick action as well. This is the fucking problem, isn't it? Caught in a fucking range. We've been caught in this range for a while. Look at this. Just stuck in this chop. And that's why it's struggling. Oh yeah. Stuck in a chop fest. But like I said to you before, fucking Nasdaq and US 30 can both still come down, but it's just chopping at the moment. I don't know. Some days the fucking market moves later on than others. Like, just the reason why I was selling on this earlier is because we swept out all of these fucking highs, and we would have targeted into somewhere down in these fucking lows. But it's looking a bit nice now.
Order filled.
This is what I wanted to fucking see half an hour ago. Yeah, bro. Literally, all you need to do is get a 50k funded. This is what I'll tell everyone. Start with a 50k funded, and then work towards a payout, and then use that payout to then buy either a 100k or 150k, and then just repeat what you've just done on that 50k. Like 49 bucks, bruv. Like 40 quid. Do you know what I mean? It's fuck all. 49 bucks, bro. Yeah, exactly, bro. It's fuck all. And then obviously you pay that as a startup fee, and then once you pass, then you pay like 130 quid for the account, and then that's it. And then you don't pay any more activation fees because it's just an activation fee that you pay for after you pay $49 to start trading with this account. Yeah, type in Top Step on your fucking Googles, and then you'll see what I mean. Right, you're looking at this now. It's looking fucking schmaxy, bruv. And honestly, in my trading plan, what I've got behind me, it says that I shouldn't be taking trades before 3:45 anyway. But honestly, with the last quarter, I'll probably start trading after 4 o'clock, like I used to do when I first when Pete started teaching me this shit. I'd wait until 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock in UK time, and then as soon as that new 4 hour open, I'd all I would do on that new 4 hour is look for a fucking continuation on a buy or continuation on a sell or a reversal. What was it? Mark out where I seen the tips, etc. But yeah, we have got a nice fucking tips on here now. We've got two tipses, so we've got confluence, and I'll put my fucking stop loss above that high. And we've got a new 15-minute candle in 2 seconds. So we'll fucking see, bruv. If it continues, then I'll get in more.
Order
I'm in
filled.
more. And the reason why I'm risking so much is because I'm already down this amount of money on my account, so it's not even a problem. And if it does happen, I'll just reset the fucking account and we go again tomorrow. Go again the next day. Go again the next day. Until I fucking pass it again. Because, what was it? Last week I literally made like 5.5 grand on 250Ks. Across 250Ks, so I made 2.7, 2.8 on both of my accounts, and I made like 5.5 grand, so I'm sorted. And then I blew them this week. So just back to it this week, and obviously the start of the week was a bit rough, so I'm not really bothered. But as you can see on the 15 minute, this is a textbook setup. We've got our tips here. We've failed to break all of these highs up here, and this would just be the J swing. So if it continued down now, first day profit would probably be these lows. And let's see where the fucking, probably somewhere down in these lows or something, potentially. Fucking seeing it. So we'll probably target this box here to try and make back well, like half of what we lost today. So it's not even a problem. I've got it up on my left screen as well. We're still playing on this monthly open level. That's right fucking. I'll show you. Which is literally right here. We've got the monthly opening, which is fucking right there still, and it's still struggling to break through it. But if it can break through it, it's going to be a nice little sell-off, in my opinion. This is the sell that I was trying to play, and Nasdaq just wasn't able to sell off, and it still respected that buy zone. So we're looking to see if US 30 will do something similar, a little bit of a sell-off to maybe continue upwards later on, and then maybe catch the buy up and reverse the setup in it. But yeah, Pete, it's been yeah, exactly, bro. Just like good old days, right? Just like the good old days. But yeah, last week it was. Remember, you came into the chat and I was trading before 4 o'clock, and then you said to me that you liked trading after that hour. Uh, honestly, bruv, I don't think I can. No. Um. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. I can clear like the chats that you send, etc.
Order filled.
Right. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Do you know what? I'm not pro on trading the open. I don't trade before 3:45. I trade the I trade the next 15-minute candle because from what I seen last week, bro, and I'll be honest with you, from last week, yeah, that 15 minute all week, right? It might have just been because it was fucking NFP week and there was so much volume in the market, but the 15 minute candle, the first one at 9:30 in the morning, I wouldn't trade. But the next 15 minute candle after that, there would pretty much like 4 out of 5 times last week, or it was pretty much 5 times. Oh, no, it was 4 out of fucking 4 times that I traded last week because I only traded Tuesday to Friday because I've took Mondays out of my trading plan. Um, the next 15 minute candle would always, well, on NFP week anyway, it would just continue. Like it would be a fucking sell off at the 9:30 or like a buy up at 9:30 and the next 15 would just continue and push down or just push up and it's very clean. It was fucking absolutely beautiful. But honestly, from now on, if it's not NFP week, I won't be trading that until after 4 o'clock or just before 4 o'clock, just before the close, because it just fucking like what's the point? Do you know what I mean? It's just not worth it in my opinion, as you can clearly see. Yeah, that all. Do you know what that all comes down to? Just over leveraging, and it's like it's not even my psychology because I've got really good psychology and no attachment to money. It's just what I'm saying. I need to just sit on my hands and I mean, the past few weeks have been really good. Like I said, I made like 5.5 grand last week, and then the week before I passed 2 accounts. So it's not that. It's just this week's been a bit rough.
Order filled.
Bleeding to the downside. I've just put my stop loss to break even as well. Yeah, I'm mad as well myself, bro. I mean, I'll be honest with you. I've recorded Monday and Tuesday, and no, it's Monday and Tuesday. It's because, and I know this should have been common sense, but I had a bit of food poisoning over the weekend, and I came on Monday and Tuesday, and even my missus literally said that you're not in the right mindset, you shouldn't go trade. And I felt fine. It's just I felt fucking lethargic and everything, and I honestly, I'm gonna rewatch the fucking videos back later. It was just my fault for being not in a good fucking mindset and stuff like that. But as you can see now, this fucking trade's playing off very nicely. And it's about to take out these lows, and once it does, I'll probably fucking put it to there. There you go, took out them lows. Damn. That was a beautiful setup. I'll put that there. Damn. Exactly. No, you're right, 100% with that. You're right, 100%. Gonna just fucking put my stop loss there. Let's see if it can continue for the rest. Well, the next fucking 8 minutes. Let's see. Nah, bro. That's all it was. It wasn't even that. It was just like I said. I had a bit of food poisoning over the weekend. Then Monday and the Tuesday, I was just not eager, but I wanted to just trade. And the first mistake I did was trading on the Monday, and I don't even trade Mondays. And that's how my missus could tell that I wasn't even in the right fucking mindset. But we've taken out this low now, and it's starting to reject, so it's not looking. I mean, what do you call it? It's looking a bit rough. Let's see if we can continue though in the next couple minutes, because it's just come and tap this now. Well, kind of. So let's see if we can get a nice little continuation. I'm gonna just delete the messages that you've already said. Oh, wait, just so I can, get you back a little bit. But yeah, carry on. And no, you're 100% right. You are, as traders, we are most vulnerable when you take a payout, because then you're trading on a high and you don't realize it, but instinctively and intuitively you're trading on a high because you've just been paid out. But that is what we all need to do is when we first get a payout is we need to fucking just lock in that fucking payout and then use that payout to buy more accounts, and then you're forever, you know, gonna be making money because then you've paid yourself. You know what I mean? Right. Struggling to continue past these lows, so next 5 minutes opening in 20 seconds. Mm. Yesterday's daily open. Yeah, I know. I'm literally looking at it on my fucking left screen. It's tapped it and now it's trying to. It's trying to buy off of that. Next 5 minutes just open. If this shit stops me out, bruv, then fuck it, innit? In the sense of not really bothered. This trade should continue though, bro. It's just it's coming to that sell zone and it's trying to sell off of that little fucking 1 minute, whatever you want to call that, 1 minute fucking last bullish block. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice right now. Got my stops at that 1 minute high anyway up there. Well, 5 minute, previous 5 minute high. Ooh, getting. Bro, what's Nasdaq doing? I stopped trading. Yeah, Nasdaq just ranged. What the hell? It did just range, didn't it? US 30 did so. I need to ask how my student got on today because he left the call early, but he didn't message me. Um, like if I wanted to edit this right to take off, how do I also do this right? So when it takes this, if it comes down and hits this, how do I do it so? Ah, limit buy right. Take. Oh yeah, shit. Limit. What? So I just type here limit buy 3 to take me out if it comes back down there. Oh yeah, true. Thank you. But yeah, it's not looking the greatest right now. It's just because everything's been so fucking bullish. And yeah, look at that. That's okay. Yeah, I mean, I try to, but obviously if I'm in a drawdown, if I'm in drawdown, then I'll try to make that money back, you know. This next 15 minute, to be fair, next 15-minute candle could make a top wick. This is the problem, and that top wick could fucking come back to retest that monthly opening price. Oof, and that would be a could be too big of a fucking stop in it. I'm not even fucking bothered. Like I said, bro, from now on, if from now on, I'm just trading after 4, especially now it's the fourth quarter. Yeah, but you've got to like shift your mindset, right? Once you're in fucking drawdown, you're trying to make not most of it back. So yeah, you are right. I should have fucking probably took some off there, but yes, you're right. To be fair. But yeah, we still got 16 minutes. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm not even bothered. But like I said, bros, It's all good. There's still plenty of time in this hourly. Nah, bro, it's all good. I still have faith, you know. There's still so much room, and the ADR on this is only 68%, and it could still move like another 60 points or something, which would then be probably like down here, yeah, I've already marked out. So we'll see. Have a little gander. 15-minute does look nice though, you know what I mean? 15-minute does look nice. It's more bearish than bullish. No, I get what you're saying, bro. Trust me. I do understand. I do understand. It's just this is what's been working for me, you know. And if I'm down on my account, I will be trading to. If I can make all that money back, I'll be trading to make it back. But if not, then I'll be, you know, like you said, fucking taking half off and then securing at least, I don't know, like $1,000 off. And then obviously I'm not down that much for the day. I'm down only a little bit. But look at this now. It's looking beautiful now for sales. So yeah, this whole week the move's been coming after 4, bro. Yeah, it's just back to being fucking 4 o'clock for me, then. That's all it is. But what could you run me through the differences in all 4 market phases? Because obviously I know you've got phase 1, which is accumulation, then you've got distribution, then etc. etc. Oh
Order
my
filled.
god, there we go. Fucking stop loss to break even. That was beautiful. Little spike. There we go. Um, Basically, what I want you to run me through is, yeah, what I want you to run me through is what the difference is between all 4 different market phases. So I know you've got phase 1, accumulation, and then I'm pretty sure it's distribution, the second phase, and then the third and fourth phase. Like, how do you, as a trader, how do you tackle all of these different phases? And do you trade differently for all of these different phases? Do you wait until different times, or because I know for the second and third phase, bro, oh my god, it's so beautiful. The first and the fourth phase is kind of, well, the fourth phase does have nice moves. Yeah, exactly. It depends what you're looking for. Let's just say me, because you obviously know me as a trader. I'm looking for that intraday swing. No, not intraday swing, but that intraday scalp for like 100 pips. And we've already got that here, you know what I mean? We've already fucking smashed that here, so look at the highs. Yep. Yeah, I know. That's what made me think that we were going to get the sell-off, because we swept all of those highs. And for me, originally the target would probably be somewhere down in here. You know, these lows, this would be the first target. Well, the major target down there. You know what I mean? That'd be the big target. But I know, yeah, you're right. I know. I mean, the thing is, I wasn't even on at that time because I didn't trade that time. Right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I obviously, as I've got a fucking baby, I can't be fucking on the charts like 50 times a day. I can't do it because obviously my partner needs me and everything like that. It's not getting into that fucking bullshit. But yeah, this is why I only trade at specific times, and if I see a setup, I'll take it. But I'm not gonna lie, Pete. This is looking fucking lovely. And I've secured like a grand off the table, so well 1.2k. So this market can do absolutely fucking whatever it wants to now. 15-minute could even go bullish here, and if it does, then obviously that's it for today. That's if it does, that is. Da -da -dun. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like, less is more for me, Pete. Is what I'm trying to tell you. Like, I would rather not have to look at the charts 3 to 4 to 5 times a day. If I miss a setup, guess what? I miss a fucking setup. It's not my problem. I don't mind. I'd rather just, come on the chart, sit behind my computer, sit on my setup, and then if I see a setup and I play on it, I used to, bro. Well, I'm not gonna lie. When I flipped the fucking grand into 20 grand when I was in the UK, I even told you all of that shit, didn't I? I was on my phone like 24 fucking 7, and I was just seeing all of these fucking setups. And I did the same last year. Do you remember what I did? I was fucking telling you, and I did the same shit last year. Do you remember when you first started teaching me? I fucking flipped the grand into like 4 or 5 grand. I did the same shit this year, and I flipped it into fucking 4 times that, which was 20k. Exactly the same fucking time, around fucking June, July, August. And that time for me is always the best time for me. Is the moves are always the best around summertime because that's when there's so much volume in. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look at it, Pete, bruv. Exactly, bro. Still fucking possible. New hourly's gonna open up in 10 minutes anyway, so I am just gonna open up in. I'm just gonna hold into the new hourly, I think. Move it to there. Well, let's look at the 100 tick chart. If we can continue to break below these lows, I'll probably move it down to like here or something. We are coming into all of these wicks as well, so it is possible that this shit could just buy up. Put it above that 15-minute high. It's possible it could buy up, but you never know. You never know what this just fucking shit's gonna do. Oh, mate. That's why I took a loss, because it looked like good sales because just from that fucking sell-off we had, but look at the chop. Chop's insane. Look at the 5 minute, bro. Like, what do you even call that? I call that... There's not even a word for it, how disgusting that is. Like, genuinely, bro, there's not even a fucking word for it. That's crazy. That is fucking crazy, to be fair. That chop on Nasdaq, bruv, is disgusting. Oh, mate, just look at the fucking 1 minute. Oh gosh. You're in buys as well, yeah. You got a nice buy, you did. It was nice. I was trying to fucking, yeah. Nah, good play, bro. Good play. You're trying to take out these highs in it, yeah, buddy. Because it's at all-time highs, it could definitely do that. Just keep pushing, but we never know with this fucking market nowadays, because anything's fucking possible. Oh, I'm so excited to go off and have some food because my stomach is rumbling. Yeah, it's a measured move target. Can you explain, please? What do you mean measured move target? So like just the highs or? Alright, bro. Yeah, sound. Thank you. But yeah, it was a rough start to the session. I'll be honest, it was rough, but this is why you've got to maintain a positive mindset and not fucking let tilt get the best of you. But if you trade like a robot, bro, then you don't trade on tilt, and that's the good thing about. I've been trading for fucking 5 6 years, and I've just got no emotional attachment to money. So if I see a sell setup, I'll just take the sell. I'm not scared to enter. I'll just take it. If you look back through the video I'm going to be posting in the Discord, it was a valid sell. You know what I mean? And all of the entries that I had today, all of these losses here, it might seem like a lot of money, but it's not. It's not a lot of money. Money comes and money goes. And obviously you've got the shorts. I was by a short today, only short. Do you know what I mean? Because I seen shorts, and that's exactly what I seen. And look, it ended up playing out just a little bit later than I expected it to. So that could be on me for not being patient enough, but I traded on what I seen, and that's so to me. Even though I took a major loss, well, not a major loss, but a little bit of a loss this morning. Well, an hour prior to this, it's not a loss in my eyes. It's just a learning curve, you know. Ah, yeah, I understand, Pete. Yeah, thank you. That would be a nice target, wouldn't it? That would be good. That would be good. Just yeah, above those 15-minute highs. Let's see if we can continue. Yeah, because the difference between me and you, bro, is I'm a trader that loves to scalp, and I like to be in and out the markets. Like now, I don't mind holding this because obviously I'm in from like up here, so it would have to move 70 pips in my direction, or well, it would have to move another 50 pips in my direction to take me out. And if it does that, then obviously I won't look for re-entry because it's just so bearish. So I wouldn't look to get back in. But yeah, we'll see what this next hourly does. Because thing is, with the next hourly, it could make a top wick to come down. So I could oh, I could probably get stopped out in the next 4 minutes. So we're really just going to be watching. Nasdaq, on the other hand, is just absolutely doing nothing. What's S&P doing? Right, nothing again. This is what the market's been like all week, bro. Well, yesterday I was in fucking US 30 and Nasdaq did the move. And today I was trying to get in Nasdaq and then US 30 did the move, so I was like, fuck off Nasdaq, and I got in the move on US 30, which ain't too shabs. Dun, dun. Oh, do you know what? Do you know what I have? When Nasdaq they're opposite SP. Yeah, I know. It's just a byproduct, like you told me. And do you know what I noticed as well? Oh no, this is absolutely off topic from trading, right? But ever since of having a baby, right, all I've got stuck in my head is lullaby songs. Dun 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 dun. It's like I'm listening to it all day and I'm like going to sleep, and the last thing I'm thinking about is a fucking lullaby. Like, put me to fucking sleep already. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I know. I'm excited for that phase. I'm really excited for that phase. I'm a little baby toddler, little toddler. Sorry. She's already well. We're already helping her sit up and everything, and she's putting strength on her arms. She's getting really strong. She's so cute, bro. She actually is. She's one of the cutest baby I've ever seen. She's so beautiful, little angel. But everyone says that about their own babies because obviously we love them so much. So much room on this ADR right now. So well, we've got like 20 more pips to go, and why does it do this for me, Pete? By the way, every time I click the fucking 4 hour, yeah, it just doesn't load. Like, I have to refresh for it to load. It's so much of a pain in the ass, let's say. Not that I know what that feels like, but feel sorry for whoever does, man. Shit. Yeah, just have it on my MetaTrader normally, but I like to take a little gander at it sometimes. Like, H4 on US30 though does look fucking ridiculously clean, doesn't it? So I don't know. We'll fucking have a gander, isn't it? Well, the new hourly's about to open in a minute, so. Um, but yeah, other than that, it's been a rough. It was a rough start, and we ended basically break even on the day, which is absolutely fucking amazing. Break-even day's better than a red day, let me tell you. I'm gonna just fucking put my stop loss there for 500. So if I get stopped down, I'm only losing 400 on the day rather than 2.3. Right, we also are at this opening level here. It's only a minor opening level, but it's a 30-minute and a 15-minute opening level, so that could have been take profit too if you were to take some profit off now. But we have just smashed past that, and if we can continue. Because I had 250Ks before, so I was just like, I'll just go with 100 in it. Not really bothered. Okay, new hourly's about to open, and hopefully we bleed to the downside. We'll see. Oh, that's beautiful. And put it there. Let's see. But yeah, that's the reason why I went for 100k, bro. Because I already had 250ks, and I already made like 2.7 on both of them. So I was gonna go for the 150k. I'll be honest with you, but I'm gonna just get a payout on the 100k and then buy 150k, so I'm not spending out my own money. You know, just be the smartest way with it. Oh, look at this, bruv. Oh my god. Look at it. Right, I'm gonna take one off
Order
there.
filled.
Hang on. Put it there. Honestly, bro, I might just take it off. To be honest, you know, might just close it because I'm pretty happy with that. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, you know, doesn't matter to me. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna take one
Order
more
filled.
off and take that
Order
off.
filled.
And we close the day on a positive. Yeah, we rejected a little bit, and I'm happy with that, to be honest. End of the day on a fucking positive. Look at that. Yeah, it wasn't what I wanted to do, but this could reverse from anywhere. You know, it could reverse and come back down just because we're so bearish. But that is a good little video to have in the trading sessions. That is. I'm gonna quickly stop recording on that.